Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with another tutorial for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, going right into the tutorial. I'm going to start off with my Angel Primer. This is from NYX. I'm just going to rub it all over my face. Mind you, my brows are already done because that part take too long. Then I'm going to go on with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation from NYX also. One thing I'm doing is just blending everything in and just making sure that the foundation evens my skin out. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyes, and I'm going to use the BH Cosmetic palette. I'm going to use the white one because the white one had more choices for me. I didn't want to really dib and dab in a lot of palettes. So I'm going to take that orange color, and I'm just going to, it's more like a tangerine, and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelids. That's going to be my transition color. Okay, next I'm going to go in with that dark purple color. It looks brown, but it's really purple. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. Okay, I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetic palette, and I'm going to choose that light purple, and I'm going to put that in my crease also, and then I'm just going to blend it all out. Okay, now go right into it. I'm just going to cut my crease, and how I cut my crease, I'm going to use concealer. It doesn't matter if you use the whitest shade that they have. You just using the concealer and you just cutting your crease. Basically, what I'm doing here is I'm going right back into the palette, the BH Cosmetic palette, and that is shimmer colors. I was so undecided, but I ended up choosing the one at the top because it was a little darker and it went more with the eyeshadow look I was going for. So basically, I'm just going to put the shimmer eyeshadow on top of my concealer where I cut the crease, and I'm just going to blend everything out. Okay, jumping right in it, I'm going to use the Rewind concealer, and that is by Maybelline if I'm not mistaken, and I'm just going to put that under my eyelids. I'm going to put it on my nose, on the top of my lip, and my chin, and I'm just going to put it on my highlighting points basically.
Dice is on the beat.
Okay, so then I'm going to use the Wet n Wild concealer, and I'm only using that, and that's just to darken up the concealer I did use because that one was a little too light for my likings, although it is good concealer. Okay, so right here I started using a beauty blender, but the beauty blender wasn't doing it, so I eventually started using a brush that I was blending my foundation out, and that is totally fine. I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to just take the lighter shade and just put that powder all over where I highlighted at. I'd rather use colored powder, pressed powder, than to use translucent powder. It's just my preference. Okay, so I'm going to go back into that BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use that blush. It's more of a tan color, so I feel like it was neutral to my skin. I'm just going to put that on my cheeks, and I'm just going to blend it all out with a angled blending brush. Okay, this is my new holy grail. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer. I forgot what color I got it in or what style, but that works freaking miracles, okay? I'm just going to put that on top of the blush, and I'm just going to blend it all out. But do y'all see the glow? Oh my god. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I didn't show you guys. I'm just contouring. I don't know why I waited to contour. I should have contoured first and then put blush on, but it's okay because everything came out perfect. So I'm just contouring. Okay, jumping right into it. I'm just lining my lips with a brown lip liner. I'm just plumping these big old things up. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go in using my NYX Butter Gloss. Then I'm going to go in using the NYX Lingerie. And that's in the color Corset, I believe. I'm going to use another NYX Butter Gloss. Okay, so to finish off my makeup look, I done added lashes, did wing liner, and now I'm going to set my face with some rosemary water spray. And this is the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching.